welcome back to another person new tutorial. It's Moyo, Moyo channel name. Okay, so welcome back. As you can see, I've already cut the nail short, so it's time to file it and buff it. This is just going to be fast-paced because I think you guys don't really need a buffing and a filing tutorial. Just do it to your taste, basically. So I'm just going to be filing the nails in a square form, and as well as buffing the nails to make a rough surface for my gel coat. So that's all concerning the filing and buffing. I think I didn't say or anything much, so we're just going to move on to the first coat right now.
Found by your mistakes, you know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive.
So let's start with our first coat. For the first coat, I've already kind of mixed my colors together to get the color I want for my base and for the remaining coats to come. So you guys probably already know I love mixing colors, and this was not really giving me the color I wanted, so I had to go in with a bit of red or orange just so I can top it up with the color I actually want, because I was going for an orangey pinky shade. I don't know if that is a shade, but yeah, I was going for an orangey pinky shade, so I had to recolor that to get the color I wanted, and now you guys will see the difference between the two shades right now. So because of my camera is not really crisp, I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. I was really trying hard. So the one at the tip was the orange and the one at the bottom was the pink. So I'll just smoothen that out. You guys know this thing that I do. If you've watched my other videos, you know I kind of like putting my paints in drop first before I start smoothing it out to actually cover the whole nails. I don't know, there's just this it makes me not to go back into the full batch of paint. Rather, I just stick them on top of the nails and then everything just seems better. I don't know if I'm making sense, but that's why I actually like putting drops on the nails before evening them out with my paintbrush or gel brush, nail polish brush.
Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
I'll just go ahead to cure this batch and then I go for the second coat. For the okay, chill. For the second coat, it's basically the same thing. Drops, paint it. Drops, smoothing out basically. Yeah, so after that we go into the front tips.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out.
So don't forget to cure with every coat you make. After every coat you make. Okay, so let's just go on to the front tips. So once that is done curing, I'll just go ahead to do my front tips. So for my front tips, I'm doing two different colors. I'm doing light purple and actual purple. So I'm doing that because, you know, I don't like plain colors. I don't know why. I was trying to go like normal, like really soft purple before, and then after seeing the soft purple, and you guys can barely even see the soft purple because that's how soft the purple was. It was literally camouflaging with the main pink. So I was like, no, I can't take this again. So I had to recolor it, but then what I did was use light purple in some, dark purple in some, so basically they're like contrasting and they'll be very colorful on the fingertips. Okay, so let's just go to the dark purple because I'm pretty sure you guys cannot even see anything I'm doing here. Okay, so for coloring the dark purple, what I just do basically is to like put a darker color and then mix the previous purple with this purple to give something in between the shades. So that's basically what I'm doing now, and then I'll now go ahead to apply on the nail tips. guys can really see my nose poking out because I was trying so hard to concentrate on this front zip. I was trying to make it as thin as possible and as precise as possible. If you know me, I love details so much. So like any small miss whatever, it will be making my body pinch me. So I'm just like, yeah, I love getting the details so much. So basically that's what I'm doing. And once I'm done front tipping with the purple, I'll go ahead to cure it and then apply my top coat. So some of you guys may not be able to tell the difference because of like the low quality of the phone camera. Anyway, I'm just going to show you guys the difference between the two purples right now and tell me your thoughts. Which do you prefer, the dark one or the light one? So yeah, leave your comments below and let me just go ahead to apply my top coat now, and after which I'll cure it and then I'll package it for not selling. I'm actually giving this out. So yeah, I'll package it and then go ahead with my life. Okay, so if you guys have already reached this part of the video, I'm pretty sure you're enjoying the video, so just go ahead to subscribe and like. I've noticed a lot of people will watch my video and then now like it, or not even share it, or not even comment, or not even haba. Okay, so just go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, I'm actually doing a peace sign right now, but you can't really see me, so yeah, just imagine in your head. Okay, bye.
Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you're trying.